Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg for a dog. First, ensure the egg is fully cooked to prevent salmonella, which can harm your furry friend. Never add any seasonings like salt, pepper, or butter, as these are unhealthy for dogs. Start with a small amount, perhaps 1/2 of a scrambled egg, to see how your dog reacts. Remember, eggs are a supplemental treat, not a primary food source, and should be given in moderation. Scrambled eggs are a popular and easy option. Crack 1 or 2 eggs directly into a clean, non-stick pan. Cook them over medium heat, stirring occasionally until they are completely firm and no runny parts remain. Once cooked, remove the egg from the heat and let it cool down entirely. Then, chop the scrambled egg into small, manageable pieces, especially for smaller dogs, before offering it as a delicious treat. Hard-boiled eggs are another excellent choice. Place 1 or 2 eggs in a small pot and cover them with cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 minutes to ensure they are fully cooked. After boiling, immediately transfer the eggs to an ice bath or run under cold water until they are completely cool. Peel off the shell, then chop the egg into small, safe portions for your dog. When serving, always ensure the egg is plain and unseasoned. For a medium-sized dog, 1 whole cooked egg is generally a good portion. Smaller breeds might only need 1/2 or even 1/4 of an egg. Larger dogs could potentially have 2 eggs. Remember, eggs are a treat, so offer them occasionally, perhaps 2 or 3 times a week, as part of a balanced diet. Always consult your vet if you have any concerns.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.